Here's another horrifying case. On January 9, 2015, on Interstate I-94 in Michigan, a real winter drama unfolded. Over 193 cars, including trucks, were involved in a massive car accident. The cause was heavy snowfall and black ice, turning the road into a real ice rink. Trucks were simply plowing through the neat rows of cars. Unfortunately, 2 people died and dozens were injured. The event halted traffic for several hours and created significant challenges for emergency services, who struggled to cope with the chaos and help the victims.